Today we'll be giving you the top 5 decentralized cryptocurrency wallets. Hi there, welcome to Learn and Earn with Earnathon. What are decentralized exchanges? Decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, are built to enable easy crypto transactions without the need of a middleman or a third party. There are several DEXs, so stick around as we show you the top 5 countdown. At number 5, we have OneInch. OneInch. And no, we're not talking about. OneInch is a decentralized exchange aggregator, meaning that it helps its users split their cryptocurrency deposits amongst various exchanges just to find the perfect one with the best rates. On the 24th of December 2021, OneInch gave out free airdrops to celebrate its launch. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? And at number 4 is SushiSwap. Sounds yummy, yeah? Okay, that's not the one we're referring to. This one is a cryptocurrency decentralized exchange that helps its users swap and earn cryptocurrencies alongside many other benefits on its platform. So its users are constantly dining and consuming delicious DeFi sushi dishes on this decentralized platform. At number 3, we've got Stella. Founded in 2014, Stella is an open decentralized exchange network for storing and making crypto exchanges. It was created from the Stella Development Foundation, and it was designed as a bridge to connect all financial systems. Users can make easy exchanges with their user-friendly inbuilt functions. Stella is known to have flat fees and enable fast transactions. This is number 2, and it's Pancakeswap. I wonder why all these DEXs sound so yummy. Okay, let's bring it back to the table. So Pancakeswap is a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain, and it was created in September 2020. Unlike some other DEXs, Pancakeswap has a unique feature where its users can stake cake to earn more cake. Users can also purchase NFTs with the cake. I guess you can actually eat some cake and have more cake. Alright, at number 1, it's Uniswap. Uniswap was created as a trusted decentralized exchange to enable its users carry out transactions without a central body or a middleman. It was created in November 2018 and was built on the Ethereum blockchain. Uniswap has recorded over 84 million trades and a trading volume of over $731 billion. Projects built on Uniswap protocol include Trust Wallet, OpenSea, and many more. All of these exchanges can be used on both Android and iOS devices, and the link to them will be in the description box below. We hope you learned something yummy and interesting today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And also ring that bell right beside the subscribe button. See you next time.
Earnathon, redefining learning.